Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the prime seed pack and what is in it. So I got the Sunday, which is very common. Actually, the chance of attainment is 40%, but in it there's also black bat flower, Mandarin Berry, corpse flower, inferno kins, and Multitrap. The Multitrap is the rarest one. You get it by completing quests from the season 1 Grow a Garden Pass. You can purchase these, but the one on the top is free, but obviously the rewards will be a little bit different. Some of them are the same, like this Grandmaster Sprinkler, but some of them are like, for the free one, for instance, I just get a Firefly, but the paid one, you'll get a giant Firefly. But I think you get both, I guess, if you open it. Which I think may be beneficial. I don't know if I'm gonna get it yet. I'm not sure. I think I might complete it and then get it. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can get the prime seed pack on Grey Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.